天教大家做生菜沙拉 Ensalada Mixta， 会告诉大家我婆婆的独门秘诀，让简单的生菜沙拉美味 update。如果喜欢我的影片，记得按订阅加开启小铃铛哦。食材以及生菜可以依照自己的喜好去做调整，像是加一些酪梨也是非常对味哦。
Sweatshirt and it was handmade. The phrase it is so sweet sounds in my head again, but you can throw it out if you don't like it. Have no idea what you really love, although it seems like I'm known you for ages, following pages to see your changes. It's time to admit that we are strangers. Hit that pause at 3, 4, 5. I wanna slow down the seconds of my life.
美味的秘诀就是要先加盐巴醋拌匀以后，最后再淋上橄榄油，这样才能更入味哦。另外要吃之前再拌调味料，这样生菜才不会出水，影响口感哦。希望你们会喜欢这道健康又美味的生菜沙拉 Ensalada Mixta。谢谢你们今天的收看，拜拜。